So, like the title says, here's why it's important to change your fuel filter, guys. We had a vehicle come in the other day and did some stuff to it, and anyway, what prompted all this fuel filter business is the fact that it had some real wonky fuel trims. I mean, fuel trims that wasn't stable at all. One time it's this, one time it's that, and sure enough, this actually did fix the problem. So here you go, guys. Enjoy the video. I just cut open your fuel filter just to show you this. Check this out. Ooh, doggy. I have to put this phone down. Whatever. Alright, here we go. Whoops. I won't manage to mess up my fingers here yet. Get some pliers. So, look at all that solid. Let me turn that camera around, make sure you can see this. Yeah, we can see it. So, check out all the solid in here, guys. This is why you should change your fuel filter every now and then. Look at this. Mud. That's crazy. You're lucky enough to have a fuel filter. Take some time, invest some time to find out if it does or does not have. And change your fuel filter. Here's a real quick reminder that, you know, some things are forgotten, easily forgotten, I mean. You know, transmission fluid, fuel filters, you know, power steering fluid, brake fluid. Those are the things that are easily forgotten, and nobody really wants to ever change them until something happens. You know, consider that. You know what you just seen. Thanks for watching.